Hey guys, my name is King and I help people gain their freedom they deserve online. Today we're going to talk about how to become an affiliate with Amazon. I know I got a lot of questions about this, so I just gonna basically make a video step by step and show you guys everything, including how to promote a product. So let's dive in. I want you to go to amazon.com and scroll all the way down. As you can see here, become an affiliate. I want you to click on that one. And then click sign up. After click sign up, you go to account information to fill out all information. And then I will recommend you use social media if you don't have your own website or your own blog. I'm going to use a TikTok account that I have. Click add, and then click next. No, confirm. You can use it for anything. You can use your name or whatever. Just promoting good here. And then you can just pick topic you want, any topic you plan to promoting. Okay. Okay. Now just go through all this information, just fill it out and go finish. After you finish, you're gonna have this page. Before, the product linked will work. You had to search your product in here, but now Amazon basically forced us to use a site Stripe. Actually, it's way better. So you want to click learn more, and it's just like a kind of extension, browser extension that make it easier. So make sure that you click enable here, get link, get shared right here, like it's turn on. So when you want to search for a certain product to promote, basically you just log into your Amazon account. Okay, this is my buyer. Like if I'm going to buy something, I come here, right? You will see here that you have Amazon Associate Site Stripe. And this is where you're going to get the link to promote. So let's say, for example, I want to promote this microphone. So I click on that one, or you can search anything that you want to promote. So I want to promote this. So I'm going to say, get text, get the link, right? So I say get text, say get text here. As you can see, it provide you, it give you the link. Let's say if we copy this, it's a short link, which is easy. You can put it in your profile. Let's say if we post it here, the link works. So basically gonna download you or to the client or to the customer, the people to go buy this microphone. So that's how you promote it. So basically you get the link from there. But if you are more tech savvy, you have your own website and you want to get image, you can just click image here, right? Because this is HTML that you can copy and paste in your blog or your website. Or if you want to get both text and image, you can just click on here. So you get both. So that's pretty much how you get the link so you can promote. And if you don't have the website itself, you don't need to. You can just like hold on to one product that you want to promote and then just create content around it and paste the link in your profile, especially if you want to promote on TikTok, that provide a link in your TikTok. You need at least 1,000 followers to be able to enable the clickable link on TikTok. So, but if you have IG or Instagram, Facebook, you want to share this with your friends, family, you can. So that's it. That's really easy to become an affiliate with Amazon. But however, you want to be active to the account that someone buys to your account, otherwise it will deactivate it every 3 months. So just to be aware of that, but it's really easy to reapply again. So good luck with that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below. If you want to know more about how affiliate marketing works, I put the link how to learn it the right way in the description. So let me know if you have any question. I'll see you on the next video.